Let's think about facts and opinions as we read The Important Book by Margaret Wise Brown. The Important Book. When you say something is important, that's how you feel. That's your opinion. The Important Book. The important thing about rain is that it is wet. It falls out of the sky and it sounds like rain and makes things shiny, and it does not taste like anything and is the color of air. But the important thing about rain is that it is wet. The important thing about grass is that it is green. It grows and is tender with a sweet, grassy smell. But the important thing about grass is that it is green. Let's look over at our circle map. We're going to look at facts and opinions. Let's go. Let's keep looking at what we read in the important book to add to our circle maps about facts and opinions. Today we read about the rain. Margaret Wise Brown, the author, thinks that the important thing about rain is that it is wet. Is that what you think is important about rain? Do you have the same opinion? That's not what I think is important about rain. I have a different opinion. I don't agree with Margaret Wise Brown. My opinion is that what's important about rain is that it helps our planet survive. What do you think is important about rain? Do you agree with me? It's okay if we have a different opinion. Opinions don't all have to be the same. We also saw the section about the grass. Margaret Wise Brown thinks that the important thing about grass is that it is green. Well, that's her opinion. We might have a different opinion. But what about the facts? Let's see. It grows. Oh my goodness. It grows. Grass grows. That's a fact. No matter what, it grows. It's not going to be different if one person says it or another person says it. Grass grows. It's a fact. Let's look in another text to see more about facts and opinions. We get to keep reading. The duck says. The duck says, rush, but the turtles just won't. The duck says, jump, but the boulders just don't. What facts or opinions do you notice here? I notice that these are observations that the duck is making. The duck notices or observes that the boulders just don't jump. That's a fact. It's true. The boulders are not jumping. He observed that the boulders are not jumping. That's a fact. I need my green marker. Which one? This is the green one. One type of fact is an observation. I want to say observations. I'm adding an S. The duck says, oops, when he makes a mistake. The duck says, ouch, when he steps on a rake. Do you notice a fact or an opinion here? I'm noticing a fact. I see that this is what the duck does. This is the duck's behavior. The duck stepped on a rake. That's a fact. It's true. It happened. The duck stepped on a rake. Since that is a fact, I need to use green. That is a behavior. Remember, I need the S at the end because there's more than one. Behaviors. Let's read another page. The duck says, well, when he cries like a baby. The duck says, when he's thinking, just maybe. What facts and opinions do you see here? I see an opinion. I see that the duck is making a comparison. A comparison is when you look at something and you look at something else and you notice what both of them have the same and different. The comparison that the author is making is that he cries like a baby. The author compares the duck to a baby. That's her opinion. Do you agree with her opinion? Do you think the duck is like a baby? I don't agree. I think if I stepped on a rake, I would cry too. I don't think that the duck is like a baby, but this author thinks the duck is like a baby. That's her opinion. Oh, I need magenta. Comparisons are opinions. We'll keep reading this tomorrow. Let's try it together. Say it with me. What can we communicate? We can communicate facts. We can communicate actions. We can communicate behaviors. We can communicate observations. We can communicate opinions. We can communicate ideas. We can communicate comparisons. Make sure you think about facts and opinions while you're learning today.